Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make this super easy crème brûlée, and all you need is just some vanilla ice cream. Instead of using heavy cream, vanilla extract, sugar and all that, you just need your ice cream and some egg yolk. So for every half cup of ice cream you need 1 egg yolk. You will need a ramekin. These are 4-ounce ramekins, and then also a pan, because we're going to be making a water bath to bake the crème brûlée. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so we'll scoop some ice cream here, and like I said, this is really easy, just very few ingredients needed. And what I'm going to do with the ice cream is melt it. That's why it comes up like cream. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough for the support. You guys are totally amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so this is about 1 minute in the microwave and it's not completely melted, so I'm going to put this back in the microwave and melt it maybe another 45 seconds or 1 minute. So while that is melting, I will go ahead and separate my egg yolks from the white. So, and you can either use the egg whites to make, you know, some fried eggs or whatever later, or you can just discard it. So it's totally up to you. And some people also use like a strainer instead of doing it this way. So whichever way works best for you, definitely do that. Okay, this is completely melted. So this is what technically your heavy cream, vanilla extract, sugar and all of that. Now I'll get my egg yolk in there and beat this properly. Once this is all incorporated, I'm going to boil some water that I'll put in the pan and also preheat my oven to 350 degrees. So this is perfect. So while our water is boiling, our oven is preheating, we will scoop this into the ramekin. And if you happen to try this, definitely let me know what you think. If you love it or if it turned out okay, definitely let me know. Leave a comment below. Okay, so at least I have all my 6. Now I can add a little bit extra. Okay, my hot water is ready, so I'm going to take one out so I don't make a mess, and put the water almost to the middle of the ramekin, halfway. And this is kind of like we are pre-cooking this. So let's see, make sure it's halfway. Bake this about 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, so this is out of the oven exactly at 40 minutes. And it's still, if you touch it, it's still a little soft in the middle, which is fine. So now carefully get this out of the water bath, just carefully. And I'm going to place it here and keep it up for about 30 minutes, and before I put them in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours. Let it completely cool down before we top it up with sugar and torch it. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave here and join the EstherDees Kitchen family. Thank you. Okay, now we enter the fun part, and we are going to be torching this. Here's my torch, and let's first of all top this up with some sugar. That's what's going to give it a crust. So now you're going to light this up. Okay, now we're going to dress it up with some raspberries. A little bit of mint on the side. So the fun part about crème brûlée is the crust. So let's listen and hear Ooh. Yes. Oh my goodness. See that? This is so good. I'm going to end this video here so I can enjoy my dessert. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you love this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.